Okay, so I hope I am audible and visible now. So we'll be discussing these geometry important questions today. Okay, so I think there was some issue. I think now it is resolved. So we're gonna discuss today few important questions that are for your CAT 2020. Okay, so we'll discuss the concept that will be related. Good evening, yes. So okay, so let's just wait for 10-20 odd seconds, then we'll start. Okay, let's others join. Meanwhile, if anyone has any queries, any question you wanna ask, you can just put in the comment section. I can see your comments. Okay, so guys who are there, just you can write hi in the comment section so that I can just let know who are present. So in the previous session we have done one more session on the geometry that was on the YouTube. There we have discussed few concepts, few important theorems that was there. So today we gonna discuss some examples, some questions we're gonna do. That's are important. There will be learning the concepts along with that also. Okay, okay, yes, with the score it's not improving. Okay, so that is the problem for everyone there. So okay, we'll discuss that thing in brief about that also. Okay, so I think we should start now with this geometry. Few questions I have taken about 10 questions that are from varying concept, basically from your triangles. Okay, because in the first session we have seen our that related to the. So yes, you have to increase the frequency of your marks. Okay, 3 marks. You cannot judge yourself by only 3 marks. Okay, you give at least like 8-10 marks. Then we can discuss that where your score is going. Okay. So this is the first question, guys. I am giving you about 1 minute. Try this question, then we'll discuss this question. So today we have the questions more around from your triangle similarity concepts, your angle bisector theorem, your and your Apollonius theorem. Okay, so we have these type of questions. So we'll do that. So I'm giving about 1 minute. So we'll be covering the important concepts that are from mainly from your triangle part. Okay, I hope it is clear. So yes, just give more marks little so that we can get the idea. Okay, because by giving 3 marks we cannot judge anything. So let's start. So this is the first question, guys. I am giving you about 1 minute. Try this question over there. Then we'll discuss. So ABCD is a square, PAB is an equilateral triangle such that P lies on the interior. Find the measure of DPC. Okay, so in the starting few questions will be very simple. That will be just directly based on your concept thing, directly on your theorem. Okay, question is not visible. Okay, just a second. I think this is such that P. Okay, such that P. After that this is written such that P lies in the interior of the square. Okay, this is the question. After P lies in the interior of the square. Okay, so I will just make diagram for all of you. So this is your ABCD square. Okay, and then this is your equilateral triangle. Okay, this is your equilateral triangle. It may not seem in my like this diagram, but this is equilateral. And now you need to find which angle? DPC. You need to find this angle. Okay, so this is the question, guys. Quickly try, everyone, just "30 seconds, then we'll discuss. Yes, and whoever is there, try this, then we'll discuss. Okay, so I think now we should start. So for this question, this is a simple question. Okay, it's the basic things, very basic question. So this is equilateral triangle. So these will be 60. If you have any doubts, you can just let me in the comment section. Okay, these are the 60, and you all know that then this will be 30. This will be 30. and these, as this is equilateral, these sides will be equal, so these angle will be also equal, so this angle becomes 75, this angle becomes 75, similarly this angle also 75. Okay, so this whole angle, so now we can get this angle. Anyone has doubt there, just let me know. So this is very simple, so it's become 150 plus 60 plus x equals to 360, and your x equals to, that is 150. So this will be your answer. If you have doubt, just let me know in the comment section, else we'll move to the next question. Okay, so very simple question this was. Just you have to be attentive to see this thing, that these sides are equal. If you get this thing, then it will not be a problem. Okay, so yeah, 150 is the right answer. Now let's move to the next question. Solve this one. In a triangle, I hope question is visible, so just let me write the question here. So this is your just let me see where up to where this will be visible. So this is visible up to angle bisector. So after that is angle bisector of angle A and D lies on BC such that. Okay, so just let me adjust these questions, because I think this will happen for every question, so it will not take any time, just hardly a few seconds work. Just let me just make this thing little change there. Okay, I think now this will. Just a second, let me just adjust all this, because this will happen for every question. So it is better we just adjust this in a quick second. Okay, it's fine now. It's fine now. Okay, so I hope now there will not be any problem. So we were at this question. Okay, so try this question. I hope now question is visible. Now there will not be any doubt, not this visibility problem. So everyone, just let me know that if you have any doubt, any question, just let me know in the comment section. So this is the question. You have about 1 minute. Try this question, then we will discuss. Okay, try this question, then we will discuss. In a triangle ABC and AB equals to 6, just a second. Okay, so I think now it has been 1 minute. We should discuss this. So if you remember this, question, this is from your internal angle bisector. Okay, so if you remember the formula that I have told in the previous session for internal angle bisectors, how to find the length of that. Okay, so we'll use that thing. So this is your triangle ABC, and AB is 6, AC is 9, and AD is the internal bisector. Okay, this is AD is internal angle bisector and lies on BC such that BD equals to 2 and CD equals to 3. Now we need to find the length of AD. So I have told you formula for this. AD square equals to AB into AC minus BD into DC. Okay, you can use this thing and you will get your answer. So now just put the values here. AD square, AB 6 and AC 9, BD, and that is 236, so that is 54 minus 6, that is 48. So root 48, AD equals to root 48, that will become 16 will out, so 6. This is your answer. Any doubt, guys? Anyone has any queries, any doubt in this question? Just let me know. So just note down this formula if you don't know this thing. Okay, this is from your angle for angle bisector. This is for your angle bisector. Similarly, we have Apolliner's theorem for medians. Okay, for perpendicular bisector. That we'll see wherever it will be required. So I have told this thing, this formula, and for your Apolliner's theorem and few more relations that we have discussed in the first session. That was your basic session for concepts of the triangle. So this session is basically for your practice. Okay, so solve this question again. Just take 1 minute about. Two lines AB and CD intersect at E such that okay, find the of areas of triangle. Okay, try this question, guys, then we'll discuss. Two lines AB and CD intersect at E such that the ratio of AE and EB is 2:3, CEED is 3:1. You need to find the ratio of areas of triangle. So quickly try this question. I hope this is visible. Now, for this there will not be any visibility issue. Okay, so I think that was enough time. Now we should discuss. So two lines AB and CD, AB and CD intersect at E, and AE and EB ratio is 2:3. CE and ED is 3:1. Okay, so this is the thing, and we need to find the ratio of areas of triangle. This is AC and BED. So for area of triangle, I hope you know this formula: half AB including sides and angle including these sides. Okay, half AB and sine alpha. Alpha is the angle including side A and B. Fine. So you all know these are opposite angles. So if this is alpha, this will be also alpha. Fine. Now if I take this as A and this is A and take as 2B and 3B. Now a ratio of area of ACE upon BED will be half, same thing AB, and so for this 3A into 2B sine alpha. Similarly half, and this is your 3B and A, 3B and A and sine alpha. Okay, so this sine alpha, half, everything get cancelled, AB get cancelled. We get answer as 2:1. Okay, 2:1. Fine. So just have a look at this solution. If anyone has doubts, just let me know, else we'll move to the next one. Okay, so these were very basic questions, but if anyone don't know these things, so just have a note down these things. These are important basics. On this question has been asked, and question definitely can be asked. Okay, so now let's see the next question. So try this question again. I am giving about 1 minute, then we'll discuss. In the given figure below, this is the diagram is given there. Okay, you need to find the ratio of AHF, means this one, to the HJG, this one. Okay, So in this question we will be so AD and FH. So I hope you have tried this question. So AD and FH are parallel. Okay, BC 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 and okay, so these three lines are parallel and these three lines are parallel. Point E is the midpoint. Okay, so this is the midpoint of AD, so this will be midpoint for this also. And H is the point of intersection. So this is not midpoint, this is the intersection. Fine. So the ratio of DH is to DH and DC. So this is 1 and this is 3, so this will be 2. Okay, so DH and HC ratio is 1 is to 2, whereas DH and DC ratio is 1 is to 3. That's fine. Find the ratio of areas of triangle. So we need to find the this ratio, this triangle. Okay, so now let's first find the, let's take so suppose let's take the area of this part. So you all know that the triangle, like this thing, the angle, the area parallelogram or triangle between two parallel lines having same base is same. Okay, so these two have the base ratio 2 is to 1. Okay, base ratio is 2 is to 1, so their area ratio will be also in the base ratio because their height is same and they are between two parallel lines. So if they are between two parallel lines, their height ratio will be same, so that their area ratio is 2 is to 1. Suppose if we take this as a, so this area will be also A, and this area becomes 2A, this area becomes 4A. So if this area becomes 4A, so this, as this is equal, so this area will be 2A, this area will be also 2A. So if 2A, so this area A and this area, because diagonal bisect into two equal areas. Okay, into diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal areas. Now what we need the ratio of AHF to HJG. So this is A and this is also A, so ratio will be 1 is to 1. Fine. So any doubt, you can just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so we can move to the next question. Try this question, then we'll discuss. I am giving about 1 minute again. In the figure shown, if the area of triangles like few this given, you need to find the, I hope question is visible. There should not be any visibility problem. In the figure shown, if the area of triangle ABF is 3 square unit, area of triangle ABF is 3 square unit. I'm just writing down. Okay, just try. That of AFE is 4 square and that of triangle BFD is 2 square unit. Okay, you need to find the area of this quadrilateral. Try this question, then we'll discuss. Okay, so I think now we should start. So again, this you can solve with the basic approach. You can use the ratio of that's the same concept. Ratio of triangles areas, ratio of area of triangle will be in the ratio of bases if they have same height. You can use that thing. You can use you can solve this question, but that will be little the time taking approach. Okay, so I will just tell you one thing regarding these type of questions, so you can just note down this formula kind of thing. So whenever you have this kind of thing, and suppose this, take it as y x z, okay, a b c, and triangle is the area of this triangle ABC. Okay, so now relation will be 1 upon delta plus the area of this middle one. So x is the area of this region. Z is the area of this region, so I can take it as this one. BOE is X and your COD is your Z. Okay, and your BOC area is Y. Fine. So the relation between them is this one. You can note down this thing. So this relation will be used to solve this question. This relation we will use to solve this question. Anyone has any doubt till now, just let me know. Any queries, any doubt, you can just let me know. Okay, fine. So now if we apply this same thing here, so we know which area. We know this ABF is 3 and AF, that is 4, and this is 2. Okay, so if this thing is there and we need to find this area, so take this area as A that we need to find. So if we can find the area of this triangle, then we can subtract this and we can get this. So we can find the area of triangle using this relation. So that will be 1 by 3 and 3 to 7, 3, 4, 7 and 3 to 5. So we'll get 1 by del area of triangle equals to 1 by 35 minus 1 by 3, that will become 102. So this will be 12. This is 12. Okay, so this will become 36 minus 35, that is 1. So area of triangle, area of this complete triangle ABC becomes 105. 35 into 3, that is 105. Now you need the area of this quadrilateral, so you need to remove this thing. So remove this thing from, that is 437 plus 2, that is 9. So if you remove 9 here, you will get the 96. So here your answer will be 96. Is this clear? Anyone has doubt, guys, just let me know in the comment section. Else just let me know this is clear. Okay, so this way you can solve this question. You can remember this expression. That will not be a difficult task to remember. As I told you, what you can take 1 by, that is the complete area of triangle, and then this common part. Okay, after that 1 upon x plus y, this one once, this one. Okay, so this way we will solve this question. Let's see the next one. Next question. The lengths of the median, the length of the sides of a triangle are this. You need to find the length of the median drawn to the shortest to the longest side. Median drawn to the longest side. I think shortest. Okay, fine. You need to find the length of the median drawn to the longest side. The length of the sides of a triangle are 21, 13, 32. You need to find the length of median to the longest side, that is 32. So if I give you a hint for this question, so just try. So for the, if you need hint, so that here we will use the Apollinaire theorem. Okay, here we will be using Apollinaire theorem and we will get the answer. We'll get the length of the median that is drawn to the longest side. Okay, so I hope you all know that length of the median drawn to the longest side will be the smallest median. Okay, whereas to the shortest side will be the longest median. Okay, so I hope you guys have tried. So now let's see. So the length of the sides of a triangle are this one, 21, 13 and 32. So if you draw this triangle, so this triangle becomes ABC, and let's take, so we want to the longest side. So let's take 32 this, 21 this and 13 this. So if we draw median to the longest side, so this becomes 16, this becomes 16 and this take as L. So we need to find the value of L. So if you know the Apollinaire theorem, so that is 21 square means AB square plus AC square equals to your take it as D, AD square plus BDR DC square. Okay, so because BD and DC will be of equal length, you can put anything there. So 21 square plus 31 square equals to AD square, that is L square, BD is 16 square. So your L square will be this is 16. This is 16. So 21 square minus 16 square plus 13 square. So if we solve this, so this will come 21 16, that is 21 16. We also know the squares of this, so that will not be a problem for us. 7 and 3 7 3 7 into 5, 3 7 into 5, so 5 150 and 155, 25 5 3 15 3 185. So 185 for this and 169, just add this, you will get the, and we have to take the root of this. So I hope I have done the calculation right. You guys need to check the calculations if any mistake there. Okay, 15, so this is coming 3 is 354 is something. I don't think this is a square root of anything. So length will become this one. Okay, so just check the calculation. This is the formula that you need to use, and after that you have to just do the calculations. Okay, so the important part for this question was to learn this thing. Okay, to know the Apollinaire theorem. This is called the Apollinaire theorem. So this can be BD square, or then you can write it as BC by 2 square. Okay, fine. So let's come to the next one. Try this question. I'm giving you again about 1 minute. ABC is a scalene triangle with these sides. BD and the bisectors are given. You need to find the ratio CP is to P. Guys, if anyone has any doubt, any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section. Right now also, if you're watching live, if you're watching the recording, so also we'll try to reply as soon as possible in the comment section, that after the, if you are watching the recording. Okay, ABC is a scalene triangle with AB equals to 18, BC equals to 12 and AC equals to 15. BD and C are the angle bisector and DE lying on the AC and AB. If P is the intersection of the angle bisector, find the ratio CP is to P. Okay, so I hope you all have tried this question. So now let's see this solution of this question. So what we can do here, just a sec, give me a look. So ABC is a scalene triangle with this one, with the sides ABC. ABC is a scalene triangle with AB equals to 18 and BC equals to 12 and AC is to 15. Okay, AC is your 15 or 15, anything, that is fine. And BD and CE are the angle bisector. Okay, so BD and CE are the angle bisectors. So for this, I hope you all remember that the ratio thing I have told. I have told you the few ratios for this angle bisector thing. Okay, so like if this is angle bisector, so this is your that is your this point. Okay, intersection point of bisectors. So if this is I, so ABC, and this will be your, this is your you can take any point D here. So like if this is A, this is B, and this complete is, you can take C, and this you can take C1, and this you can take C2. So the ratio of A upon C1 equals to A upon C1 equals to B upon C2 equals to AI upon ID. Okay, and also this will be also equal to A plus B upon C. You need to remember this much thing, this much ratios relation for internal angle bisectors. Okay, so if you know that thing, so let's see what we need to find here. We need to find here P is a point of intersection of angle bisector. We need to find the CP and PE. CP and PE. I think I have found ABC find CP and PE ratio. So this is it. This is it, I think. Yeah, on the on BD BD is on the AC. Yeah. So this is it. So this ratio you need to find. This ratio you need to find. So if you like draw in this way, that will not be also problem. So first thing, this is your 15, this is your 12. This line will be divided in this ratio 15 12. So that is 5 into 3, 4 into 3. So that is this 5 is to 4. So that's this become 8, 10 this becomes 8. Okay. So now you can take any ratio will give you the answer. So like CP is to PE will be equals to your CP, and this will be 12 upon 8, or you can write 15 upon 10. That thing is also same. You will get answer as 3 is to 4 and 2 is 2. So that is 2, 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2 will be your answer. Okay. So the important part for this question was you need to remember this thing. These are very, very important. So till now, whatever we have discussed, like I have told you Apollonius theorem, I have told you for angle bisector theorem. So these are the very, very basics and important thing. This you must know. You can expect at least one question from topics that we'll be discussing today. Okay, that we have discussed today. So like 2-3 questions left. So we'll quickly finish them also. So have a look at this question. I'm giving about 1 minute again for this question also. You need to find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. You need to find the in given figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral if QR equals to 18, PS equals to 9. So now we are just moving towards a little difficult, little complicated type of questions. Okay, the earlier question we have done. If you know the basic theorems, and if you are like can observe the things, then you can easily deal with those questions. These questions require just little extra effort. Okay, these are the questions that require just little extra effort from your side. So just take little time, then we'll start with the discussion. If anyone has any doubt, any queries, I think I can see that 5-6 people are watching. So just you can let me know. Okay, if anyone has any doubt there. Okay, so I think now we should start for this one also. Okay, so just see carefully. This is a very important thing. So this type once question was asked that was on the hexagonal form. Okay, so this is another different same type of similar kind of question, but related to your this quadrilateral. Okay, so we'll do this thing. Just see here, we'll extend this line, and extend this line. So if this is a triangle, if now see this in a triangle, let's take it A. Now in triangle AQR, if in any triangle, if these two angles are 60 60, so this angle will be also 60. Fine. So this angle will be also 60. So now this is 60, so this will, how much, this will be 30, and this becomes 90, this becomes 90. Fine. Now what is given to us? PQR, that is 18. So if this is 18, this will be also 18, because 60 60 equilateral triangle, so these all 18, and PS equals to 9. So what is PS? So that is 9. This is 9. This 9 is given. So this 9 is given, and this is fine. So now what we can do, we can find the area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle will be root 3 by 4. I hope you all know this formula, A square. So this is the area of this equilateral triangle. Now from this equilateral triangle, if you remove this from equilateral triangle, remove area of APS, you will get the area of quadrilateral. You get the area of quadrilateral. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. So we have this one. So 18, I think that is 3 to 4. 18. I don't remember the square. Okay, so anyway 13 into 18, so that is 9, that is 81. Okay, so 81 root 3 minus, and this APS. So the area of APS triangle will be, how much? So this is 9, and this is height, this is base. If you know the base, we can find the area. Okay, so for to find the base, you can apply tan theta here. I think that will work. You can apply tan theta here. So if you apply tan theta, so what will be, this is 60, so this will be 9 by root 3. Okay, I hope you all know how to apply that thing. So that is, if we use tan 60 equals to, so that AS base upon, and I'm taking this as a base. Okay, and so this will becomes your height, that is PS. So tan 60, you all know that is how much? AS, PS, fine. Now we need to find the AS. So that will become, AS becomes PS tan 60. Okay, and tan 60 is root 3. Okay, so I think yeah, this is fine. So this becomes 9, and 1 by root 3. So that is fine, root 3. So we're getting root 3 now here. Okay, so I think that is fine. So according to me, this is the base. So from front of is 9, so that should be 9 by root 3 base. Okay, so I think I have taken the here this thing. Okay, so that simple calculation you can do. Anyway, this will be 9 by root 3. You must know, like how I am finding this thing. I am not using this formula. Okay, because how directly I write 9 by root 3, you must know this thing also. In front of 60, when you are using this tan theta. Okay, so this is 9, so in the front of 30, this will be the lower than 9. Okay, so that will be 9 by root 3. Suppose it was here 9. Okay, suppose it was I'm just explaining this very basic concept, so that you don't need to write this thing. Okay, so here I have just written this thing like base upon, actually it is perpendicular upon this. Okay, I have written the wrong order. I have used basically cot theta. Okay, so if you get here, like this was 9, so this will become root 3. Okay, so this is the thing. So when you have this configuration 30 60 90, for the tan theta, you can write this way. Okay, you can write this way. If this is if the x is given in front of angle 30, so your the side in the front of 60 will become x root 3, and vice versa. Okay, vice versa means if this is given x, so this will be x by root 3. Accordingly you can adjust. Fine. So where we were, so angle of this area of this triangle, half base into height. Okay, so root 3, just okay, just root 3 and root 3, so this becomes 3 and this becomes your 27 root 3 by 2. So I think we can't do anything more here, so this will be your answer. So root 3, just take it common, so 162 minus 27. So this is just a calculation thing. Important part was to learn this thing. So 523 135 by 2, this will be your answer. This is your answer, and this was the this is the thing. If you can think this thing, if you can like understand that this is a equilateral triangle, then it will not be any problem. Okay, so now let's come to the like this question. So in this question again, the thing that I have told, the relations that I have told in the previous session, same will be used. If you know, that's fine. If you don't know, then you can use the similarity and you can get your answers. Okay, so I'm giving you again about 1 minute for this question, then we'll discuss. In the below figure, so what we need basically, find the length of CN. We need this length, and we have AB 5, means this 5, and BC 12. Okay, so this complete is 12. Fine. Try this, then we'll discuss. Okay, so I think now we should discuss last 30 seconds quickly if anyone is trying there. So if we see this thing, so this is, I hope you all know triplet, that is 5, 12, 13. So this length will be 13. Okay, BD will be 13. Now I have told you this relation in the last class. If this is given, and you need to find the length of this, you need to find the length of MC. So that will be MC here will be product of this upon this. Okay, so 12 into 5 by 13. This way you will get the MC. After that, what we need to do, we need to find the length of CN. Again, I have told you few relations there, like if this is A, B, C, and this is your D, perpendicular drawn from B to the D. So your length of BD will be, BD is that is AB into BC upon AC, and your BC square equals to DC into CA. Similar way, your BA square equals to AD into AC. Okay, and your one more relation. So these are important relation you must know. These all are derived from your basic concept, that is of similarity. Okay, BD square equals to AD into DC. So these are the few 4 relations there you must remember always. Okay, like you have to just remember, right? This is a very simple thing to remember. This is not a complicated thing. You can remember these 4. If you remember these 4, you will be able to deal with these type of questions. So these type questions, if you observe the paper, has been asked like every year from the last 3-4 years. From CAT 2016, you will find this type of question has been asked every year. Okay, so you must know all these relations. If you know, you will be able to solve these questions very easily. So now let's come to this part. So now in the triangle BMC, and what is given to us, just these things. Okay, so now we know the length of this 12 and this 60 by 13. Now we need to find the length of MN. So I have just we need to find the length of CN, not MN. We need to find the length of CN. So I have just told you the formula. This one, this one will be applied. So what is this? Just let's make this way so that you can observe the thing, you can see the thing. BMC, where Cn is this. So this is your 60 by 13. This complete is 12. You need to find x. So 60 by 13 is square equals to x into 12. This will be your answer. So you just calculate this thing, you will get the value of x. So I think that will be how much we have to like solve this thing. So 12 into 5, 13, 169. Let's do it. So 5 into 62. So this is 300 upon 169. So 169 300. So this will be around 1 point. Okay, so this will be 1.8 something. We don't need to find the exact value also. Okay, so I think you learn few things today. So this is the last question, guys. You quickly try this. So I will let you know answer for this. Okay, so this is your, you can take this as your homework. You have to solve this, try this question. Again, the basic concepts will be used, nothing else there. So for this, answer is 5. Okay, so we have seen all the basic important things that were related to your triangle. Okay, all the things that were important things that were related to your triangle. If anyone has any doubt, if I can see like few people are there. If you have doubt, you can just let me know in the comment section. So that's what it from my side. So the most important thing there. If you are like a very serious candidate for, again I'm saying very serious candidate, you are serious candidate for 2020, you are focused, okay, you are like aiming for a good percentile, so must enroll for this, must take plus subscription. There are a lot of courses that is running, there are all top educators there, batches are going on that are course complete, weekend, weekday, morning, evening, every time you have a batch. Okay, dedicated batch for you, like like your ZAT exam itself, your IFT, your CAT, for all MBA examinations. Okay, so what you can do, you can take like a 6-month subscription and like it will cover all your this season MBA examinations. Okay, this season all the MBA examination will be covered. Fine, so you will be getting your special classes that you can also like that is a free available, that it doesn't charge you for this thing. So you can download the app, you can watch special classes there, and I can make sure you that you definitely like and you will purchase for the plus. Okay, so it's better that just take the plus for the 6 month and for this MBA season. Okay, now if you are preparing for 2021, so for the 2021 also batches are starting again. Early you start, the early you are ahead of your crowd, okay, ahead of your competition. So also for the 2021, take 1 year or 2 year subscription according to your need, and you can join the batches that are going on there according to your schedule. You can join weekend batch, you can join weekday batch, and also there like you can watch the recording, so like it will not be also problem if you miss any 1 or 2 classes there. Okay, so there will be also, you all know that there will be there are your dedicated batches, so these things not going to be any problem. You also the test series, that is also one important thing there. So like if you take this one subscription, you don't need to go anywhere, you will get all the things there that are required for cracking any MBA examination that is there. Okay, test series and practice questions, all the things that will be there. So right now where like I am running a very important course, that is like your 20 sectional test for your quant section. So if you take plus, you can join for that. So like I think you will get a clear idea about how to like you can achieve a great score in the quant section. Also you'll be like you'll be getting the courses from LRDA for also, and for the verbal sections also. Okay, so that's not issue. You can enroll for my course, that is a very good course. So also if you want to visit my profile, you can just type this unacademy.com/Rahul Anant, you will land to my profile page. Else you can search for the Rahul in the CAT category, you will find me there. Okay, you can just see the courses there that I have covered. I have covered till now complete syllabus for your CAT. You can go and watch that. Okay, so I hope you get the clarity about what this thing is, how plus will help you to reach your score. Okay, so I can definitely guarantee, like suppose now if you are getting around 97 96 percentile you are, so in these 1 2 months definitely you can reach 99 percentile if you follow right steps, you if you go in the right direction. Okay, so that is the most important part. And also like not only cat, after cat for IFT there is for your ZAT and IFT will be just 1 week after your cat, but for the ZAT you will get a ample time there, you can improve there drastically. Okay, like if you are getting, if you are not confident right now, like if you're not scoring well in the cat like 80 85% in mocks, but definitely you can achieve a great score in the ZAT or any other examinations. Okay, like for that there is a ample amount of time, like 3 4 months that are there. Okay, so any queries, any questions? So just if you are taking, if you are taking the plus subscription, for that use this code Rahul Anant, you will be getting instant whatever the highest maximum discount that time available is there on the Unacademy platform. Okay, so you're enrolling for any course, that doesn't matter, you can use this code, you'll be getting instant, I think right now you'll be getting 10% instant discount. Okay, so this was very important thing. Okay, so you all must watch special classes, that doesn't count anything. Okay, like right now I'm also running one course on the special class, that is a quant booster classes. Okay, so that you can join that. So for that I think class is yesterday, not yesterday, yesterday there was class, and tomorrow is their class at 7 to 8 a.m. Okay, so you can join that also. So these all things, these are the benefits of plus. So like cat is very near, like about 45 to 50 days, so it is very important. Like we now just focus on the right direction, and we follow right mentors. Okay, so that is the important part there. So that's why I'm just telling that you can take the this thing. Okay, so thank you guys. Just visit my profile, you definitely learn something, some awesome methods, awesome techniques I have till now covered. Like if you're not a plus user, still you can watch the special classes there. If you like that, after that you can enroll. There is not like that just you cannot watch anything, you're just going to enroll for the plus classes. Okay, so just go to my profile section. Again I'm telling that is a Rahul Anand. Just like you can just type Unacademy at the, after that you can just put Rahul Anand, you will just land to my profile page, or else you can just search for the Rahul. You get my profile section. Okay, there I have covered, you will get my all plus courses, you will get my all special classes that I've covered, how you can like score a great percentile in the CAT. Okay, so that's it from my side. I hope you know I am from FMS Delhi. I'm a quant 100 percentiler. I'm a serial 99.5 plus percentiler. So these are just thing that I want to say. So that will definitely benefit you. These things that I have achieved. Okay, that will help you so that I can motivate and guide you in the right direction. So that's it for today. Let's meet in the some next session. So good night and bye bye.